In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a signature from an Adobe Acrobat PDF. Whether you're updating, correcting, or simply clearing out old signatures, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open the PDF file that contains the signature you wish to remove. To do this, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application is up and running, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, click on Open and choose the specific PDF file from your local storage. Adobe Acrobat will then load your selected document, displaying it within the workspace. With the PDF file open, it's time to move on to the next stage. Take a look at the top of your screen for the global toolbar. Here you'll find a variety of tools, among which is the Edit option. Click on Edit and this action will activate the document editing features within Adobe Acrobat. This is crucial as it allows adjustments to the content, including interacting with embedded form elements like signatures. Now let's locate the signature you want to remove. Scroll through the PDF until you find it. Simply clicking on the signature you want to delete will highlight it. This ensures that Adobe Acrobat has registered which element you're interacting with, allowing you to proceed with further actions. Finally, with the signature clicked on, you should see a small context menu appear nearby. This menu provides several quick actions you can use. Look for the icon that resembles a trash can. It represents the delete function. Clicking on this trash can icon will remove the signature from your document, and just like that, the signature has been deleted from your PDF. Before wrapping up, here are a couple of tips. If you don't see a trash can icon, or if the delete option appears unavailable, it might mean that the document is locked or the signature is part of a security feature. In such cases, check if the PDF is password protected or consult any restrictions associated with it. If needed, you may have to seek permission to alter the document or unlock it using the appropriate security credentials. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily remove a signature from any PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful guides. See you next time.